Hello students, myself Sanjay Suman, your computer teacher. So our first chapter is Introduction to Computer. It is our first online class. So we have to know about our first chapter, Introduction to Computers. First of all, we have to know about what are the parts and types of computer before we know how does a computer work. So let's start, students. A computer is made up of four types of devices: input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. These devices are connected to each other, form a complete computer system. As we see in the figure, input devices is connected to processing devices as well as output devices is also connected with processing devices and storage devices too. Let us learn about input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices one by one. First of all, input devices. We enter data and instructions into a computer by means of these devices, named input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Some other input devices such as touch pen, light pen, touchpad, joystick, scanner, microphone, etc. Next topic is processing device. The processing unit of a computer is central processing unit. It is also known as CPU. The CPU is present inside the CPU box. The CPU does all the calculation of the computer. It is also known as the brain of computer. Students, a CPU has three parts. ALU stand for arithmetic and logic unit. It does all the calculations. Next, CU control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other parts of the computer what they should do. And another one is MU, memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Now, move on the next devices. Name is output devices. Output devices show the result of the work done by the computer. The most commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. Let us know about them. First of all, monitor. Monitor shows the work being done by the computer. The output device that we get on the monitor is called soft copy. There are mainly three types of monitor. Name CRT monitor, LCD monitor, and LED monitor. CRT stands for cathode tube, LCD liquid crystal display, and LED stands for light emitter diode. Another output device is printer. Printer help us to take the output on the paper. The printed copy of the output is called hard copy. There are mainly three types of printers. They are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. And some other output devices are like plotter, speaker, headphone, projector, etc. Our next topic is storage devices. These devices are used to store data and information in the form of bits and bytes in a computer, where bit is the smallest unit of data and has either a value of 0 and 1. Whereas a byte is a group of 8 bits. It is standard unit of storage in a computer. Students, I'll suggest you to learn these all data unit storage unit. Okay, storage device or memory unit are integral parts of a computer system. Now let us learn about some of them. First is memory. The data and instructions that are entered into a computer system through input units are stored inside the computer in some storage media. This storage media is known as memory. There are two types of computer memories. First is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. In primary memory, it is a main memory of a computer. It's present on the motherboard. Primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. Students, RAM and ROM is a very important part of our memory devices. RAM stands for random access memory and ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is used to holding the data temporarily while the computer is working. Its data is erased when the computer is switched off. And ROM holds the instructions given by the manufacturer to operate the computer. It is a permanent memory. And there are three types of ROM. First, PROM stands for programmable read-only memory. Second, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. And third one is EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Next, memory devices like secondary memory. The secondary memory is used to store data permanently. Its data is not erased even when the computer is switched off. Some commonly used secondary devices are given here. First is hard disk, compact disk, it is also known as CD. Next one is DVD, digital versatile disk, Blu-ray disc, pen drive and cloud storage. Now move on to the exercises. Students, I suggest you all to do all exercises like A, B and all question answer yourself. Thank you.